So friend, hello and welcome back to my channel. Samsung is gearing up for its big Galaxy Unpacked event on July 9, 2025. And one details already has fans talked, the chipset. The company is switching to Exynos chips for two of the three upcoming foldables, including models headlines to the US. According to a new leak, both the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and more affordable Z Flip 7 FE will be powered by Samsung's in-house Exynos processor. Even in the US, this marks a big shift in Snapdragon chip strategy, and the Flip 7 and Flip 7 FE are not only the first forever to use Exynos but also among the very few Galaxy flagships in the US to feature Samsung's own chip. The flagship Flip 7 is expected to run on the new 3nm Exynos 2500 chip, while the FE version could feature the Exynos 2400, the same chip rumored for the Galaxy S24 FE. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's most premium foldable, is confirmed to continue using the Snapdragon 8 Elite and keeping its top-tier performance intact, while some mobiles suggest that the Exynos 2500 might be a better fit for the Flip 7 than the Snapdragon 8 Elite, given thermal concerns on the slim Galaxy S25 Edge. This theory runs into a snag. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is actually thinner than the Flip 7. That makes the speculations less convincing. It's more likely that Samsung's decision to use Exynos in the Flip 7 is a cost-saving move, especially since the Flip 7 doesn't demand the same peak performance as the larger Fold. As for the Flip 7 FE, the Exynos 2400 is still a highly capable chip and could help Samsung keep the price competitive. Benchmark results for the Exynos 2500 suggest notable performance gains over the previous generation, but real-world thermal performance is still unknown. The Flip 7 is also tipped to come with bigger screens, a 4-inch outer display and a 6.85-inch foldable panel, offering more space for apps and multitasking. And Samsung has already opened pre-reservations on its website with up to $1,150 in trade-in savings and a $50 credit for early sign-ups. And if it is true, the use of Exynos in the US-bound models could be a bold cost-saving strategy, especially with Samsung confident in the chip's performance. Whether this gamble pays off and how US customers react will become clear as the phones hit the shelves. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.